Hello, Bonnie. No. Bonnie. Ah! Bonnie. Ah! Freddy. Freddy. Hello, Freddy.
Oi! Bunny, don't eat my biscuit. No, 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 no. This is not yours.
Bonnie. Yeah, it's me, Bonnie. Yeah. I mean, Freddy. Hello, Freddy. I love you, Freddy. Mwah. I love you, Bonnie. Mwah. You break it more until it's tiny. Yes, like that. Put it on the floor. He's trying to crack it. I don't know. Yeah, that way. Oh, I don't think they're... Oh, they're eating your hair. Uh-oh.
Oi, Bunny, sharing is caring, right? Stop sharing is
It's
caring.
okay. Both of them can do it. Okay. Put them here. There's lots of food.
Okay.
I don't think if they're supposed to be eating skyflakes.
I'm gonna wash my hands because I touched Buddy and Bunny. Wait.
Hello, Bonnie, don't do that. So I just found out that they're allowed. Crackers are safe for them as long as you break it. Chloe, I said as long as you break it. Anyway. Looks like Bonnie and Freddy are going after the big one. I don't know why, but Freddy's fur doesn't look right. Look at Bonnie's fur, his wings. See? But Freddy's wings don't look right. He has low air resistance, except for Bonnie. I just hope his fur gets better because he got wet. Hey Chloe, if you want to feed them crackers, you need to break it really, really small. Anyway. So, I just want to see you guys later. I don't know later, or maybe tomorrow, or next year. I don't really know. Anyway, bye. Peace.
Bigas na, Klo. Dagan na kayo.